Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT with lots of goodies like those hash stripes that you're seeing right there. In the back here, have a look. It's got the Z06 spoiler with the adjustable bits on it. It's got a glass roof as well as the body panel roof. It's got the cargo area cover. And let me just check in here and see what we've got in here. Yes, we have a charger, so a Corvette charger right in there, and the cargo net is with it as well. So a nice glass roof, so you can have dual roofs. You can see from the back that those are the competition seats. I'll show you those from the front in a minute. And let's close that down and have a look at the back. There's your NPP performance exhaust. Good looking car, eh? Wow. Torch red, black wheels, black bits. It's awesome. So there's your black wheels with the red painted calipers, looking quite fabulous. Have a look in here and you'll see that the seats are the competition carbon fiber seats. You see the carbon fiber? And the 3LT comes with side bolster and lumbar adjustments. The mats are just out. Sorry, I'll just put them in later. There are mats with the car. Have a look here. You've got the Bose 9-speaker sound system, heated and cooled seats. The books are with the car. The wheel locks are here. Everything's with it. So that's awesome. Nice, clean, tidy car, as you can see. So, I forgot to show you. Up here, 3LT comes with a quilted headliner and the Alcantara on the rest of the headliner. And then the Napa leather dash, so a fully leather wrapped dash and leather wrapped door panels, and then Napa leather on the seats also. So lots of upgrades there for the 3LT. This one's got the carbon flash painted side skirts that you can see there. The value in having carbon flash painted side skirts rather than the exposed carbon fiber is that the carbon fiber flash can be painted. The exposed carbon fiber cannot. Okay, so if you do a little damage to it, it's much easier to fix the carbon flash paint than it is to fix the exposed carbon fiber. You can see the nice large, just size of a pie plate. Those rotors are just huge, but if you're going to go fast, you better be able to stop. Those are the hash marks racing stripes. This one's got a cold air intake and AFG power to add a little boost to the engine. It comes with 460 horsepower with the NPP performance exhaust, and that boosts it up just a little bit more. So as you can see, the hood mat's in great shape. No worries there. It's all clean and tidy. Let's close that one and have a look at the front here. There is a stone chip right there. We're going to touch it up, but you know, it's got a stone chip, so no big deal. We'll touch it up when we polish the car. We have not touched the car in detailing or polishing as of yet, and we will do that before you take delivery. So here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues there at all. Black painted mirrors, and those are carbon flash metallic black painted. There's your red roof, and again you have the glass roof in the trunk. Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, lots of rubber, good looking car. So on the driver's door here, you've got driver memory package, power windows, power locks, and the Bose sound system. On the driver's seat here, you've got multifunction adjustments there as well, and that's the carbon fiber high bolster competition seats. So they really hold you in the car with higher bolsters, which is pretty awesome. So I'll just fire it up for you. It's got the 8-speed automatic transmission and factory navigation. We've got 18,116 kilometers as shown there. You've got your cruise control here, your steering wheel controls here for the dash, so that'll change up there. You can change all these little bits here and have some fun and change and do the competition performance. So you can do performance dash there. So you can change the dash completely. That's pretty cool. And then over here, we're just going to say OK, and we'll show you that that's got the Apple CarPlay as well as factory nav. So there's your factory nav. It has rear cameras as well as front cameras, and then you've got heated and cooled seats. So lots of little goodies on this car. Again, there's your quilted headliner and Alcantara on the sun visors. Just a lot of luxury features added to this vehicle. So pretty cool. Over here, of course, you've got your heads-up display. So let me see if I can show that by turning that up and move it up and down. There you go. See your heads-up? That's your heads-up display right there. You can change the info on it to different pages and different styles so that you can see different things, and even have the nav up there. So pretty cool. Again, have a look in the door frame as I'm getting out. Fabulous looking car. Napa leather interior. Black mirrors really sets it off on this one, don't you think? When we put the black roof in, it looks even better. So pretty cool. Listen to that rumble with that MPP performance exhaust. That sounds fabulous, doesn't it? The big wide fenders, the wide body. And then look at it from back here. Look at the size of those wheels. That is amazing. That's a lot of car. So there you have it, folks. That is the 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT. All the goodies with 2 roofs and the side skirts and the black wheels, painted calipers. What a machine. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Please make an appointment. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.